Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. In this video I'm going to share with you one of the best affordable lightening or brightening cake soap that you can use on your skin to brighten your skin, to lighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to also make you feel confident in your skin. Okay, in this video I'm going to share my honest review on Caro White Lightening Soap. This soap is very good. In fact, I can testify on it because I have ever used this soap before. It has been trending on social media. A lot of people have used this soap before, and I have seen review comments on this soap. Beautiful people, in this video I'm going to share with you guys my honest review on Caro White Lightening Soap. I'm going to share with you guys some ingredients that I use to formulate this soap, and also I'll share with you guys who should use this soap. Okay, I'll go ahead and share with you guys how you should use this soap properly and the roles it plays on the skin, and also take note. I'll share with you guys the side effect of using this soap. This Caro White soap is very good. In fact, if I say it's very good, I mean it's one of the best lightening soap in the system. It exfoliates the skin, it removes dead skin cell, it brings out your natural glow. And the good news about this soap is that it makes the skin very smooth and soft, and it also removes dark spots on the skin. Beautiful people, if you really want to know much about this soap, then please kindly watch this video till the end. Caro White Lightening Soap is a very nice cake soap that is formulated to make the skin very smooth, to make the skin very soft, to remove dead skin cell, to exfoliate the skin, to brighten the skin, to lighten the skin, and also to make the skin very nice. Okay, then the ingredients that I use to formulate this lightening soap are kojic acid, citric acid, vitamin E, a carrot extract, hydroquine, and other natural ingredients. Anybody can use it. It's just a cake soap. It's not something that you have to apply it on the skin throughout the day. Okay, it's something that you have to use it to bath. So if you are a dark skin person and you need a very nice soap to tone your skin or to achieve a caramel skin tone, you can grab a Caro White lightening soap and use with a very mild cream or a very mild lotion. Okay, it works on the skin very well. In fact, it brings out that kind of natural glow. Okay, it's good for all skin type. A normal skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, and in fact everybody can use this soap. Everybody can use this soap because it makes the skin very nice. All right, and the roles it plays on the skin is that it's going to make your skin very smooth. Okay, and it's also going to make your skin very soft. It's going to bring out the dead skin cell. You could notice that there are some people, when they bath, they feel dryness on their skin. They feel like their skin is very tough. They don't even feel like they have even bathed. But when you use this soap, it's going to make you feel confident in your skin. Okay, it's going to remove all the dead skin cell on your skin, and it's going to make the skin to be very light. Okay, it's going to bring out that kind of fairer skin tone that you want. All right, and this is how you are supposed to use this soap. In fact, if you have a very tough skin and you want your skin to be very smooth, before you go to the bathhouse, kindly add water to this soap. Apply it on the skin, especially your armpit, your inner thigh, your face, your back, every part of your skin, and wait for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Even if you like, you can apply it on the skin and do your house chores, or you can do whatever you want to do for maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, then after that, you go to the bathhouse, rinse it off on the body, you use it in your sponge and bath again. Yes, you can use it on the face, but then don't use the soap direct on the face. Okay, make sure you use it on a face towel, add water to it, and use it to wash your face very well. It's remove sunburn on the face. I have used it before, that is why I'm sharing my testimony with you. It makes the face very smooth and it removes dark spots on the face. If you are the type who is having issue with dark armpits, dark inner thighs, you can apply the soap there for some time, maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes before going to the bathhouse. Okay, please, as I said it earlier on, do not use it directly on the face. You know, the face is very sensitive than the body, so make sure that anything you apply on the face should be mild. So do not use this soap on the face directly. Use it on the face towel, add water to it, and use it to wash the face very well. It glows the face, it removes dark spots on the face, and sometimes it works on acne as well, and it's going to make the face very smooth and soft. Okay, it's brightening the skin, it glows the skin, it's lightening the skin, and it's good for all skin type. Okay, but this is the side effect of this soap if you don't use it very well. If you use this soap anyhow, you are going to end up having dryness on the skin. Okay, the reason why I want to share the side effects with you is that you should know what is good for your skin, what you should use on your skin, and what you shouldn't use on your skin. Because there are some soaps or some shower gels, when you use it on the skin, it's not going to really work for you. So before you use something on your skin, especially a shower gel or a cake soap, you should know your skin type very well. And sometimes if you use the soap and you expose the face under the sun, it's going to end up leaving reddish on your face, and sometimes you end up having dark under eye. So if you have a very sensitive face and you use the soap on your face and you notice itches on your face, please do not use it. Avoid using it. And after using this soap on your face, make sure you get a facial serum or a very nice face cream and apply on the face. Okay, you can use the cake soap every blessed day, especially if you want to lighten or whiten up your skin. You have to use it consistently. It's good for the skin, it brightens the skin, it's lightening the skin, it whitening the skin. When you use it consistently, it clears dark spots on the skin, and sometimes it clears acne on the skin. Caro White Lightening Soap is very good for all skin type. I said it earlier on, a normal skin can use it, a dry skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, and also a combination skin person can use it. A dark skin, a caramel skin person can use it as well, but make sure you use it with wisdom. Do not use it anyhow. Go by the direction, and trust me, you are going to achieve a very nice and a healthy skin tone. Beautiful people, if you have ever used the soap before, you can share your testimony with me. You can share your review with me, the side effect, the good one, and then the bad one with me. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I share a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you so much for watching, and please get ready for my next video.